Hello and welcome back to another Minecraft episode of mcellini Minecraft. This episode will be on how to get a custom map. A custom picture onto a map in Minecraft. And you can see that Natalie's in the chat there. And so I'm gonna turn around and show you. Well, first before I do that, this is what the map looks like that I made with this program. I didn't really make it. I just took the picture off of Google Images and put it on here. But it was of course it's a PS3. I was trying to do something with it, and it ended up not really working with what I was doing. So I decided to use this anyway. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And over here, yeah, I have it up on here. That's the finished product. And then if you walk over here, so to start, you need to generate a Minecraft, a map in Minecraft, and close Minecraft. So, and you're gonna have to get a program to do this, which I'm gonna have in the description so that it's easy to get to. So what you need to do is get an empty map out. You're gonna generate it, and it's gonna show up gray, just like this, because the sandstone. Well, it's not always going to do that, but this is just because I have this little sandstone thing here on the ground. Alright, so now I'm going to close out the world and do this thing real quick, and then, get back on the game and show you what to do next. Alright, so, here we go. Okay, I'm going to close the game. Okay, so now what you're going to do is, look for a 128 by 128 picture, because that's the size of the map. So you have to have a picture of that size. Basically, you can just keep the picture. If you have a picture that is already that size, you can just keep it the same size. If you don't, you can resize it and make it smaller with Paint or Paint.net or any other program that can do that. Anyway, I'm just gonna look up 128 by 128 and see if I can find any good pictures in that size. So I think I'm gonna go with this YouTube picture down here. So so this is the program right here. Basically, what I need to do, well, what you would need to do is just click on File, click Open, and find the picture that you're using. So just go to where it is. I'm just gonna find it through here. Oh, there you go. I have it in my documents, and I guess you can go to wherever your thing is. So Minecraft maps I made here. So basically this picture here, YouTube 128 by 128. I open that, and there it is. So did not come out very well as I expected. I thought it would be a little better than that. Anyway. If you save it as a JPG, it won't look great at all. Actually, some of them might look worse than this. This is a PNG, so it surprised me that it looks this bad. But this is just an example, so it really doesn't matter. But just make sure your picture looks good when you do this. I'm not gonna worry about it because I'm just using this as an example. So you're gonna save it. You're gonna do File and Save when you have your pixel version. You're gonna save it to whatever folder you've been saving it to. But you have to name it with the right number of the map in your world. So map 0 I already used. That's the first one. So map 0 is the one that starts the whole thing. And you can see I already saved one that called map_1, but I deleted that out of my world. So I'm gonna have to name it map_1.dat because it's the next one past 0. If it's your first one, you name it map_0.dat, which .dat is already in there, and of course the map underscore. Just gotta change the number. I guess if you want to get the right number. So now you're gonna save it. So I'm gonna replace that file, that extra in there, and now it's saved. Okay. So now you're gonna go into %appdata% and roaming, which is. So to get to this, you have to go let's say the start menu and search %appdata% and all lowercase, and it's all one word. And it should come on with this roaming folder. You can just press enter and it will bring you to this screen here in your folder. Or you could go to the run program and do the same sort of thing, but it's a little bit different. But I just do the start menu. It's easier to me. Next step is to click the .minecraft folder when you get in here. Then click saves, and you're gonna find the world that you did it in. You're gonna open the data folder, and then you're gonna have to go and get your picture. So I guess let's see. Yeah, map underscore. Alright, so I'm gonna rename this one that I just generated. It came out as 2. I'm not sure how that happened. I guess it was just because, oh yeah, I already had one there. It didn't realize it. Anyway, so now it's map underscore 1. And I need to make sure I have the I have it copied. So I'm gonna copy it real quick and come right back in. Okay, so I copied the map and I'm gonna paste it in here. You can see there's already a map underscore 1, even though, well, if it was map underscore 0, let's say, there would already be one in there from the one you generated. And when you paste it, it's gonna say that there's one that already exists. So you're gonna replace whatever number it is. It really doesn't matter. But of course it has to be the right number. You're gonna copy and replace it. So literally, what this is doing is replacing the map that you generated with the picture that you selected. You wanted to use. So now the next part is to go back into Minecraft, and the map should be in there. So now I'm back in the game, and the YouTube sign is right here that I saved. This is what it looks like, and it was a really easy process to do all this. Here's the directions I have right here on this little wall here. You can pause the video to check this out, and if you forgot how to do this, and then you can come back here. Well, I'll show you this back here. Basically, you're just generating the map. You're gonna close Minecraft and then go to this stuff here. So, it's download. So step 1 is downloading, installing, and opening ImageToMap, and you're gonna get your desired picture and make it 128 by 128 with paint. Or if it is already that size, you can just leave it like that, the way it is. And the generation is done by clicking File, then Open, and then selecting the picture that you wanted. And step 3 is to click File, then Save, and select the desired place you want to save it in. And then search for %appdata% in the Start menu and press Enter. And then click on .minecraft, open Saves and Data, and drag the picture in. And you're going to replace that map with the one that you just dragged in. It's going to ask you if you want to copy or replace or just skip this step or whatever. Yeah, and here's all the steps like I just went over, and I guess you can subscribe, like, comment, or anything like that if you like this video. And then we have a surprise to talk about in just a second. Something that we're making. It's a big project for our channel, and it's right over here right now. This is pixel art for one of the things included in the map that we're building. So it's a map with mini games in it, and this is pixel art for I think it is I think it's like called Galaga or something. It's one of these retro games that that are included in this map that we've been making. And it this map is basically a mini games map, but it has a lot of pixel art in it, and there's at least like 5 games or something like that in it. I think just about 5. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, there's 5 games, and there's also a special for a vacation trip, where you go on a plane and go to vacation. But this map will not be released until 1.8 because of special things that are included in it that are important to have a 1.8 version. Anyway, the video should be out soon, and we're also gonna make I think like 3 other videos on things that we've built. They're all gonna be all these just tours of our buildings. So stay tuned for all that. They'll be coming out maybe in like a week for the mini games. I'm not sure, but depends on how long it takes for 1.8 to come out. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. You can just use these maps for whatever you want. If you want to make like a cool decoration, you can get a picture of yourself and put it in an item frame, and it will just show up completely. It will fill up the whole block, which is really nice if it's in an item frame. And you can even still look at it just by rolling over it in your inventory. So that's it. So that's it for this video. See you next time on another episode when we come out with one. So thanks for watching, and bye. See you next time.